Render is right now at this very interesting price area, but will we now see even higher prices, or do we see lower prices again? In this video I will talk about Render and share my price prediction for the near and for the long term. So let's go straight into the content. So first of all, Render is right now on place 37 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $2.8 billion. It's one of the biggest AI coins in the crypto space, and we already saw a new all-time high this year. But after we broke through the upside and broke this last all-time high, we then started this bearish retracement, and we already moved under this last all-time high at $8.78. And as we go on the daily time frame, you can see that we came all the way down into this demand zone. This blue demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. We broke this last all-time highs, and then we came for the first time back into this demand zone and saw a bullish reaction right here. We saw the first bullish reaction right here. And right now we are retracing deeper into this demand zone, and I think the chances high that we can see even higher prices and continue the bullish trend from the zone, as long as we are not breaking this one to the downside and find acceptance right here. Because if we are finding acceptance under this lows, then the chances high that we can see an even larger pullback to the downside. But if we are seeing a bullish reaction right here and not breaking this ones to the downside, then the chance extremely high that we can continue the bullish trend to the upside. And if we have a look at the total crypto market cap, you can see that we are still in this longer accumulation phase and that we are still seeing lower levels. So if we are seeing lower prices right here, the chance is also high that coins like Render are also going to the downside. But if we will see also here higher prices, then the chance is really high that Render could explode just from this zone. And if you want to trade Render, you can do this on Bitunix. Bitunix is a non-KYC, no VPN trading platform. So especially if you're from the US, UK, Canada and the Netherlands, you can legally trade on this crypto exchange, and if you're using my link, you get up to $5,500 bonus. You will find a link for Bitunix in the description. And if you're using the Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we are right now at the 0.786 Fibonacci. So the chance that we could see a bullish reaction, a support right here, is also very high. Of course, if we are breaking through this level, the chance is high that we can see even lower prices. And if we go on the 4-hourly chart, you can see that we are still in this bearish move because we came into this lows right here. We then moved to the upside, but we couldn't break this last high right here. And as you can see, as we tried to break this last high right here, we just saw this rigs right here and then continued to go to the downside again. So for a potential long trade, I would wait if we come back to the upside again and if we are seeing bullish interest. So if we are breaking this last highs here to the upside, then I think the chances high that we could see the bullish explosion. But as long as we are seeing even lower prices and still continue the bearish trend on the 4-hourly chart, then I wouldn't enter a long position and wait if we are seeing a bullish reaction again. Because at trading it's very important to have patience, so you wait till the bullish trend comes in again. And then I think it's a great chance to get into a long position at these levels right here. Because in comparison to the all-time high, we have very cheap prices right here. Just from the prices right now to the all-time high, we would have potential over 83% for Render token. And I think the potential for Render token for the bull run is even higher because it's one of the biggest AI coins in the crypto space. And the chance that the coins from the AI niche will perform in this bull cycle is very high. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Render, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.